In part 1 of this series, we built a custom AI agent in Taskade from scratch. Now let's turn it into an expert on your business and put it to work inside your apps. Head to the Agents tab in your workspace sidebar. Pick your agent and open the Knowledge tab at the top. You can also get there from the Agent's Edit menu. This is where your agent learns. You've got 5 ways to train it. First, files. PDFs, Word docs, spreadsheets, presentations. Taskade chunks and indexes everything automatically. Your agent can also pick previously uploaded assets from media. Every time you drop a file into EveChat, your workspace is learning. The Media tab in your project captures it all. Next up, your Taskade projects. This one's different from uploading a file because it's a live connection. Connect any project as a knowledge source, and your agent stays in sync with it in real time. So if you're running a product catalog in a Taskade project, your agent always knows the latest prices, stock levels, and descriptions without you touching the Knowledge tab again. And that's just the starting point. The Knowledge tab offers more ways to feed your agent. Paste plain text directly, or connect cloud drives like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. The more sources you connect, the sharper your agent gets. Mix and match whatever works for your use case. Your agent now understands context. Ask a question and it finds the most relevant answer across all your sources. That's Taskade Workspace DNA. Memory, intelligence, and execution, all connected.